Smith Strong PLC, providing legal strength for over 12 years, has become now a community partner and a resource with deep roots across Central Virginia, providing solutions in family law like divorce and custody, estate planning, wills and trusts, estate litigation like trust disputes and will contests, elder law like guardianship and conservatorship proceedings, business planning, buy-sell agreements and operating agreements, and serving as a pillar in the community, providing legal solutions for individuals, their families, and business owners across Central Virginia for over a decade. We've been awarded Legal Elite by Virginia Business Magazine and Rising Stars by Virginia Super Lawyers. But our finest accomplishment are the hundreds of five-star reviews and picture after picture on our website of happy client after happy client, and serving now generations of Richmond Virginians here in our office on Patterson Avenue at Patterson and Parham. We look forward to serving your family and providing legal solutions that you can count on for years to come. We're Smith Strong, Legal Strength.